Hello, welcome back to my main channel, Jose W Official. I have a, if you guys came here from my other channel where I spoke about the fact that the channel was a child, behind the scenes channel, and it should be like that. I'm here for today just because I want to talk about YouTube advice on myself. So that's why I want to do in this channel. So be on a couple of more uploads, and I will do. I'll be here every beginning of the week, depends if I work or not. So on that day, so most likely it will be either Mondays or Tuesdays. So I'll be uploading here every now and then. So yeah, I just want to give a random topic advice where I just thought of just now, where if you have struggled with scheduling your videos, especially whether you use I'm not that type of person who really enjoys using the calendar or anything like that, but I would try to do so because basically you have a video you want to do, but you're so busy, you have a lot of things you have to do, and your personal life, but you want to be there for your audience, and so you want to schedule your uploads and stuff. But I'll do that, you have to make the videos first. So how do you have time for that? And what I'm thinking about is that you just have to do it, whether the video, you have to really do it, and at the same time sometimes you feel like the video is good, you feel like you see that, and the video is still on time, but also you feel like you should have had more time, you should have had more time with that video, because it's not, you want to be great, you want to make the video worth watching and everything. So, and sometimes I feel like that, I've seen a lot of creators on YouTube who feel like they say that they want more time on the videos because they haven't done enough research, or they haven't felt like the video was worth being posted. So that's a lot of us creators struggle with, is that we just want to make a really amazing video for all of you, the audience who watch us. And so one thing is that one of my advice is just let the audience know, let the audience know that you made the later video, but not to the point where it's too much, don't overdo it. And I understand that's easier said than done, but there's a way to, I know us creators can do it. So we have to, when we create videos for our audience, they love us, they enjoy us, they look forward to our videos, but at the same time, if we don't deliver, it's because it's all about timing, and scheduling a video. So let me know if you creators have any thoughts on this, if you feel like you've been on that road before, if you feel like you want to you wish you had a video, one of your videos had more research or more time to be made to make it, you wish it was better, There's no one's perfect, so just want to hope you just know that neither am I, so there's a lot of videos that I really don't have time for. I made a video on my second channel saying that I don't have time to do the flash reviews. There's so many other videos I want to do, so I made adjustments to it. So also planning it out, so planning will actually help too. And I think that these amazing creators that on YouTube who write things down, and they have view ideas like on their calendar, and so maybe that would be a good idea for you to try if you try planning the content ideas out, and maybe that would be just maybe things better for you. Everyone has their own way of creating their content or planning out their videos or something along the lines of that. So let me know whatever fits you, any advice you have for other creators down in the comments. That we maybe show us back, So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this random video. I literally had no idea what I wanted to make yesterday for a video topic, but just thought about this at the top of my head. So I'll be doing more of that. Hopefully my advice went well. So if you have any video ideas you want or need advice from a content creator, like, you know, I've been on YouTube like since 2018, late 2018, so I have some experience on YouTube. So just no pressure, just have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.